what Robinhood announced. They announced a new feature which will allow their users to also buy stocks pre-IPO. And one of the big issues with IPOs are these institutions get in, Wall Street people get in, they get access to it before the regular guys, the retail guys, and so it moves up. And so when they have a list price, the stock you never get an opportunity to get the list price. For example, Coinbase, 250 was supposed to list at, you couldn't get it below 300 on the day of. And so Robinhood's ethos is to democratize finance, and there's been this schism. I'm just trying to use as many big words as I can, don't even know if they fit or not, between retail and institution. And like that delineation has always favored the institution. And so retail always gets screwed.
Yeah.
Robinhood's supposed to be for the people, and now they had the whole shitstorm.
Quote unquote.
Yeah, they're the whole shitstorm. So I think this move is to prove that they're for the people. I love it. I think it's a great move. I don't know exactly how it's going to look, but basically it's allowing you access to the IPOs at the offering price. No account minimums, no red tape. If you have a Robinhood account, you can access the IPOs. Now, I'm not sure if it's specific IPOs. I imagine it's not every IPO.
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know. But that's pretty interesting. What do you think about, like, what are your initial thoughts on that?
If it works, then I'll be happy about it.
Yeah.
The concept is nice. The intentions are great.
Yeah.
But if it's anything that we've learned from Robinhood, especially through the pandemic and the GameStop saga and everything else, something's going to break on this, and then it's going to piss a lot of people off, and somebody's going to get stuck with a bag somewhere. I want to be optimistic, but at the same time, it's like prove it, I guess.
Yeah, and I don't care who you are. If you're a publicly traded company, and Robinhood isn't publicly traded, but they're going to be,
yeah, on
your way to becoming public, and when you become public, you're not about the little guy. You're not about the retail guy.
You're really not.
It's like, there's no way that you're going to do what's best interest for me.
Right.
And that's okay, but don't act like you're going to democratize finance and make it a level playing field. You're just going to find a different way to hook up the big boys.
Yeah, exactly. And they've done that, right? Because, I mean,
yeah,
when the whole GameStop thing went down, the big boys came in and said, here, have some more money so that we can keep this train rolling.
Yep.
$3 billion overnight. It's just crazy. So, yeah, I mean, we'll see. I guess I'll believe it when I see it, I guess, is kind of like my sentiment at this point.
Yeah. It's cool, though. It's cool, though, doing it.
The concept's great.
I mean, SoFi really started that.
Yeah.
I don't know if anybody did before, but like SoFi, they made a point of doing that. And so it'll be interesting. SoFi is actually trying to it sounds like they're trying to really take on Robinhood and compete in that space, which seems tough. But what they have going in their favor is the distrust towards Robinhood. Because if this was 6 months ago, people were like so loyal to Robinhood, you wouldn't be able to get it.
Oh, my God. The hate that I got from just poo-pooing on Robinhood was crazy, back in the day, back in the early days of this channel. Yeah. And then when it came to light that I was like, right about all this, and then it came to head and was like, oh shit, like Robinhood is crap after all. So, but I mean, I think it's tough, man. I really do hope that one day they just get it all together and then they stop screwing people over. I'm not hopeful in this situation either.
Yep.